everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on your Instagram. Not everyone is pretty much fond about Instagram likes. Some of you out there might be curious if you can hide your likes on your Instagram posts. Instagram has recently rolled out the hide likes counts. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go and tap open your Instagram application first, and from the home screen of Instagram, go to your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile, tap on the Hamburger menu at the upper right corner of the screen, and from the menu, select Settings at the bottom. Now click Privacy and tap on Posts option under Interactions. There, you can turn off all the like counts in your news feed and choose to hide like counts on your own posts. This will mean that other people won't be able to see the likes on your post. You can simply tap on this button at the top right in order to enable the function. You can always turn likes on and off on a post if you change your mind. Once you enable this button, go back to your post. Let me go ahead and tap one of my posts over here. Now from the post, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to see an option that says Hide Like Count. Tap it on, and the like counts which used to be counted like this will be hidden from a particular post. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.